Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe ng channel ko, please click down below the subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will notify all the new videos I have. So guys, our episode for today is I'm going to go to the Body and Bath by Candle. Kasi may ano sila guys, may sale sila today. So yung candle, actually yung candle nila na yung malaki, yun talagang binibili ko guys kasi sobrang bango at saka talagang yung bango niya is mas spread all over the wings, all over the house. So that's worth $25 or that's I think 1,200 or 1,400 pesos, but now it's just only 12.5 or so half of that is maybe 750 lang ang isa, pero hindi ka magsisisi kasi sobrang bango guys, promise. So please stay tuned. So I'm here now at the mall. So ito yung mall nila guys. Oh my god, may Santa Claus na dito. Santa Claus is here. See? Si Santa Claus guys, kung gusto mo pa-picture sa kanya may bayad. Mamaya na kasi. Punta muna tayo sa Body and Bath. So, marami mga benta-benta dito na very colorful. Wow. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ito yung mall nila dito. So, wow, may cinnamon. Wow, very colorful. See? Wow, my Christmas tree. Mas ito naman guys yung mga jewelry. Wow. At gusto kong bibili ng mga gold sa Pinas. Excuse me. Wow, ganda din yung dito. So ito na yung Body and Bath. Punta mo na tayong Victoria's Secret. Na yung Victoria's Secret. Wow is nandito na ako sa labas ng mall. Ang mga mall nila dito hindi kagaya sa atin. Nandito ako sa Belfast food court. Then ang mall nila dito is hindi kagaya sa atin. Sobrang laki at very organized. Yeah, so I think that's all for today. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng channel ko, Renalyn Sanderson Journey, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys. And that's all for our vlog today. And kita-kits sa next vlog. Have a good day. Bye-bye.